McIrish Gamer. Hey guys, McIrish Gamer here, and welcome to Call of Duty Ghosts. I'm going to be doing an online team deathmatch on the free fall map, as you can see up here in the little corner. There where my pinky was pointing. Anyways, let's get in and let's shoot some people. Yeah. It's always a good day when you get to murder people. Am I right? You know what I mean, Billy. Ah, you too, Johnny. They're my murder bros, you know? People I go off with and murder people. They're good murderers. Johnny's stealthy and Billy has an AK. Sadly, I'm not a good murderer. But I am good at creeping people out. And that could be useful. I'm also good at distracting. Where are you? I went to Disneyland yesterday. And we went on the, what's it called, Haunted Mansion. And I haven't been on the regular version for so long. So I kept on going on the Christmas and Halloween versions and whatnot. So when I finally went on the regular version, it's like, what is this? Because I'm so used to seeing Jack Skeleton and like all of them. Did you guys see that? I shoved a knife in his back, then it exploded. I have exploding knives. Wouldn't that be cool? That should be awesome, don't you think? Sure, if it's not a throwing knife, if you stick it in somebody, you'll blow up too, but it still sounds really cool. Really cool. I don't have anything to talk about. God dang it. I'm not good in this map. Why did I vote for it? Why do I suck at this map? I'm sure if my friend Furious Destroyer is watching this, he'd be like, yeah, this map. I'm good at other maps. Yes, I am. Sam, I am. There was no elephants on the bus. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Elephants on the bus. Oh. Nobody believes me that there's elephants on the bus. I'm being such a letdown to my team. Oh, come on, that dang turret. It kills all of us. Kills the best of us. It kills the last of us. I'm not sponsored. By now I won't be sponsored for a long time. Die. Yeah! Finally! I'm gonna be a noob and do this on his body. Da. Ow. I don't like how only Call of Duty not Black Ops, Ghosts is the newest game that has the knifing animation and dogs. Because there's war dogs, why did they take that away? And who cares about punching from Advanced Warfare and hitting them with the gun, which should be immediate kill, because a gun is made out of metal, and metal is hard. And if you're hitting them in the face, it should be a kill. But no. So why did they take away the knifing? Knifing is the best part of the game, man. The knifing is the only thing noobs can do. Not really, just my friend Furious Destroyer, when he started playing this, knifing was the only thing he could do. Should I just stay away from the battlefield? Am I that bad? I'm gonna screw it! I'm just gonna do a bunch of throwing grenades, and I'm gonna shoot at this hole. Gonna shoot! Ah! Okay, it's clear. No. Player, go back to this place. Not clear. Look at this. Okay, how's that fair? We had 3 people, they had 5 people. Why couldn't it be even? Why couldn't they give us one of their people? And do it 4-on-4? Dude, that is such bullshit. I died. Ooh, I burped. Let's go with the Magnum. And piercing again? I don't know. Lethal, let's go with, throwing. C4, I love this. Oh god, I love C4s. Love those things. Let's go. Ultimate sprint, yes, that'd be amazing. Actually, faster aiming would be pretty good. That's a good idea. Oh god. Assault, let's stick with this. Support, let's go. Let's go with an ammo crate, I guess. What are you doing? I want my dog. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Make Irish neighbor.